Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some spicy pepper shrimp. So let's get right into it. Right here we have some garlic and ginger that we're going to be dicing up. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share and click the notification bell. Thank you very much. So guys, right now we're finished cutting up our garlic and ginger, so I'm going to be going ahead and I'm going to take off of the garlic and off of the ginger to put with our shrimp. So we're going to put some of the garlic inside of the shrimp and also some of the ginger. So we're going to go ahead and put some allspice in on our shrimp. So we're going to be using like 2 teaspoons of allspice and some 1 teaspoon of black pepper, then we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder. Even though we add the chopped garlic, we still add some more garlic powder. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some Maggi seasoning. So that's just like a teaspoon of Maggi seasoning also. Then we'll go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning. This one is different from the Maggi one. Then a teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix all the spices in along with the garlic and the ginger and give it that nice mixture. You're gonna lock all those spices in and then you're gonna go ahead and put it down to marinate once you're finished. So this is how it looks. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some Maggi fish seasoning to it too. And making sure I lock all the spices in. So now I'm gonna put this aside to marinate, and then I'm gonna be adding some vegetable oil to the pot. It's on medium right now. Right there we're cooking some Irish potato. So I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger to saute. So now this is sauteing. I'm going to go ahead and cut up my scallion, otherwise known as my green onion. Then I will be using some bell peppers. I'm using orange and yellow bell pepper. So you dice those up. and also some red. So this is how I do my spicy garlic shrimp, and I have 2 hot Scotch bonnet pepper, and I will be cutting those up. Now I'm going to be chopping a small onion. So I'm using all this onion. Normally I'll just use half of it, but it's a small one, so I'm going to be using all of it today. So now that I'm finished here, and now my garlic and my ginger is ready, I am going to go ahead and add my shrimp in. Oh, the aroma of this shrimp is amazing. I don't eat shrimp, but I always prepare it for my husband when he needs it. Very tempted, but I will just leave this alone. Yeah, so stir that in, lock in all that nice, amazing aroma from the garlic and the ginger. It is very important to cook your shrimp with garlic and ginger and pepper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add all my spices to the shrimp. Very beautiful colors. Yeah, nice, amazing. So this is our hot, spicy garlic shrimp. See that beautiful color, all those different spices. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna serve my shrimp with some mashed potato with vegetable and a slice of watermelon and cucumber and a serving of orange juice. So guys, please remember to like, comment and share. Live good, love God. God bless you guys, walk good, and see you guys next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. One love.